Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Divi Express plugin for your WordPress website, so in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can install it on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will see our product page link. So just click on it and you will redirect here. Okay, and otherwise just open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our website, and here you can see we have lots of themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. So basically in Divi we have lots of add-ons in Divi, so you can explore it, and if you need anything else, so just purchase it. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about Divi Express. So let me just open it, and uh, I will explain you these things. So use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update. As you know, installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us. So you with us, and we do not share our official license to anyone at any cost. So I hope you understand all these things. License type, original license key. That's why you will receive officially lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Okay. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that your first name, your last name, your WhatsApp number with your country code and your email address, and select your payment method according to your country. Okay, now after the payment confirmation you will redirect here, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install Divi Express on your WordPress website. So that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.